What are we doing here, folks? Well, if you're tired of the age verification pull requests, came across another one. So recently there had been a pull request done on the Calamares installer. Now, before moving forward, let me tell you, this is just for informational and educational purposes only. Any views expressed don't necessarily reflect my personal views or beliefs. Also, please do not defame, harass, intimidate, or dox any individual or organization. And the only reason I've shared names is because it's publicly available information and open source projects. No legal advice is given or implied. If anything is inaccurate, it may have changed. As always, please go and do your own research. Now that I've gotten that out of the way, what is Calamares? Well, Calamares is a installer that is used in various Linux distributions as an installer framework. And as you can see here, it ranges everywhere from Manjaro to Debian or Debian Live, Sparky, KDE Neon, Kubuntu, Kashi, Lubuntu, you name the distribution. Calamares is often used as an easy-to-use installer. But pull request 2499. This time, targeting the universal installer, Dylan Taylor opened a pull request to add an opt-in birth date field for age verification into Calamares installer, which would basically add a widget with a calendar pop-up, and it would store the birth date in the counts service key profile on the target system. This would have to be explicitly enabled via compile time. Now, this is the same developer who, let's be honest, submitted PRs to systemd, Arch Install, XCG Desktop Portal, right? So, in this case, however, the Calamares project owners pushed back, right? Delta said not every distro will need or want this. It has to be toggleable, not forced on anyone, and Calamares serves too many downstream consumers to make assumptions. Exactly, I agree. Account service is installed on the target system at user creation. It's not guaranteed it will be there. This PR would assume that it is, and it would save this in a plain text file instead of requiring encryption, because just adding permissions isn't the same thing as encrypting data. One of the things was, and the biggest comments was, this probably should not be merged. And some of the reasons was jurisdictions may accept open source software. The laws are still changing. The laws are not finalized, right? KDE and GNOME are building desktop portal solutions in a proper layer. Account service may be going away entirely as a storage mechanism. Some jurisdictions only need a birth year, not a full date of birth. A lot of these backends don't exist yet. And rightfully said, we should not modify Calamares until there's some approach that desktops are taking towards this. So there won't be an implementation. So for now, Taylor conceded and marks this PR as draft whip. This should wait for final version of the storage later portal to go in. Now, some people have said, and there's been accusations saying that this PR is malicious by nature. I mean, one of the contributors called this PR an active sabotage, said this cannot be trusted to not contain subtle errors. Why is one person pushing this across multiple PRs and systems? Said it contradicts laws. And the author defended themselves, saying, hey, introducing these features is normal across coordinated stacks, and the outrage over a birth date field and a date picker staggering. There's literally no verification whatsoever. I mean, I would just like to say, if that's the case, why even bother with this? Someone else listed 5 countries with laws that can compel developers to insert backdoors. And that went on. Further on was the encryption problem. Problem with storing as a plain text. The person who submitted this said, well, it's root-owned, not word-readable. And then they were saying, hey, but browser cookies are more sensitive than a birth date. And the real solution is app sandboxing, not encrypting a field. And some jurisdictions are requiring encryption, and their response was, well, systemd user PR has already been merged. Okay. a date of birth is generally classified as non-sensitive information. Now, Delta's conclusion was requiring permissions to access it is not the same as encryption and will not satisfy this requirement. All I want to just say is, you do you, but it's not for you as a developer to say whether a birth date field is or isn't a protected field, okay? Whether I want my birth date field out there or not out there is a decision I will make, and I will do with the distribution that I use if I so choose and they're forced by the law. Not because somebody out there thinks that they should know better on an installer. I'm sorry, that I do disagree with. And a coordinated push was amongst Ubuntu, XKDG, Calamares, which we've learned, Arch install. Arch is still Arch is still seeking legal counsel before they do any merge. We all know, despite 945 comments and backslash, the revert PR was closed for System D. So I guess the final question is, should Calamares be a gatekeep? Basically, Delta said it isn't Calamares' role to gatekeep and decide if it's a good or bad thing. It's up to the distros who use to decide. Calamares' role is to ensure this option is available to distros who choose to use it. And I agree with that. There's two sides. There's a framework side, whether it is a tool provides a tool, not an opinion. Each distro can decide it themselves, and refusing the feature is their choice. And community, once plumbing exists, things become harder to remove. Just an option is how sometimes things get started, and will some distros feel pressure to enable it. But the crazy thing is, no one has asked for all of this. I do get why there's discussions around this online and all of that, right? I'm not making an opinion on that. But trying to add this to Calamares installer, I'm sorry, no. Now, it's just madness. If you ask me, let the distro decide themselves how they're going to do it, which gives users a choice. If Calamares says yes, will the maintainers even know that option exists? Will the distros enable it to avoid legal risk, even if users never ask for it? If it's up to a compile time, is there really a choice? But if the plumbing is done and the faucet hasn't been turned on yet, who knows? But the real story is it's an important piece of age verification puzzle. Not because it's the most, but it touches the most distros. It's a universal installer. This pull request is on hold, laws aren't. And it's not about date picker. It's about whether Linux remains one platform where nobody asks who you are. Again, I'm going to end this off with, don't dox anyone, don't threaten anyone. None of that stuff, it's not cool. But age verification, if the distribution chooses it, so be it. But not in a universal installer, and no one has the right to have the audacity to tell me whether a date of birth field is legally protected or not. As always, leave your comments below. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.